And for this Japanese crow, walnuts are the pick of the crop, because they are amongst the most nutritious things he'll eat all year. This city slicker's problem is getting into them. Positioning is everything. Oh, so close, but not close enough. There we go. Using a car as an oversized nutcracker is nothing short of brilliant. But on the busy city streets, it works too well. The nut quickly turns to dust. And with it, his meal. But what sets crows apart is their ability to know a better reward is coming and to wait for it. Perhaps somewhere with reliable traffic. But fewer cars will do the trick. A driving school. Lessons run 7 days a week. Every half hour, like clockwork. And this clever corvid can set his watch by it. He has a secret stash on site. This time, he puts his plan into action with a flourish. Cracked it. With fewer cars, his meal stays in bigger chunks. And he can eat in peace. Intelligent planning means this brain box can enjoy a meal that would otherwise be impossible to crack.